Hello and thank you so much for tuning in at Janil Hair Collection. Today we are going to learn step by step on how to make the twisted bandika the way you're seeing, and I love to moisturize my braid before I begin so that it will be easy for me to do the sectioning. So that's all that we're going to learn today, and we are going to do the installation also. So I'm going to align my braids on my leg that way, and it's increasing in size, and on each strand I was using 10 pieces of braid. So for now I'm just aligning them here on my leg so that it will be easy for me to pick as I do the braiding. So I'm going to align all of them 10. Don't forget, on each strand I was using 10 pieces of braid, increasing in size. So the first 3, they're of the same size, and then the second, so you can see the first 3, they're of the same size, and then the next 3 of the same size, and then the last 4, they're of the same size. And for now we are going to begin how to do this. So I'll have to let one piece go behind the string and retwist before I start doing the twisting. So I'll have to twist twice like that, and then for now I'll have now to start feeding in the braid. I put it under my thumb like that, and then I'll have to twist both side. So there we go, twist both side, and then I do 1 2, and then I feed in the second braid. This is not hard, this is so easy if you just follow what I'm trying to share with you guys. So I twist twice before I feed in the next braid. So there we go, I'll have to put it under my thumb, and then twist both sides before it goes over, and then it's twice before I do feed in the next braid. So I hope you've started this with me so that you won't get lost, or let me say it will be good if you begin with me so that we learn this together as we move forward. So for now I hope you're getting right what I'm trying to share with you guys. And if you're wondering, I used 3 packets of braid. This is long, this is long, and I'm not increasing, I won't increase the ponytail. I just used the normal size of the braid, and for now I'm just increasing I'm just feeding in the 4 extra that was thick, very thick. So you need to take your time and let the braid go under your thumb like that, so that, and make sure it's tight so that it won't show on top where you feed in the braid. And then from there now you'll have to continue with the twisting up to the bottom, and I'm going to do the second one if you're not getting right what I'm trying to share with you guys. So for now I'm just trying to finish up to the bottom, and I had to let the peg, the way you're seeing, to hold the bandika, the twisted bandika, so that I'll have to finish up to the bottom. So there we go, I'm just doing the same thing, nothing has changed. And like I said, I'm going to do the second one so that you will get right, or you'll understand much better what I'm trying to share with you guys today. So thank you so much for always supporting Janil Hair Collection, and if you're coming across Janil Hair Collection for the first time, feel welcome here. Mind on subscribing, and at the same time turn on your notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. And if you want to follow up more of this video, it will be good if you turn on your notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. So I'll have the hair twisted, and then I'll have to begin. I twist twice before I feed in the first braid. So there we go, I'll have to take my braid, put it under my thumb. Don't forget it should be tight so that it won't show where you feed in the braid. So I'm going to take the next one. I put it under my thumb, twist both sides before I roll over. So I go 1 and 2 then take the next braid like that until I finish. So up to now, I hope you're finding this video helpful. I hope you're going to try this, or at the same time, I hope you're doing well if you began this with me up to this time. And thank you so much for taking your time and watch this up to this particular time. I hope you've learned something, and at the same time, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and at the same time, don't forget to share this video with a friend. And like I said, I'm not extending the ponytail. I'm just using the normal size of the braid, the way you're seeing. And for now, I'm done with the second one that I was going to let you guys understand much better what really happens. And for now, I'll have to remove the fichu ends from the braid. Yeah, I'll have to take a scissor and remove all the fichu end. And if you're not comfortable using the scissors, you can dip your braid in warm water or blow it with a blow dryer. So you can see it has some fichu ends. That's why for me, I do love using the scissor to get rid of them. So I'll have to take your time. I'll have to take my time, because when you're using a scissor, you need to be very, very careful so that you won't cut the braid. And I'll have to do this to the rest of the strands that you're seeing. And from the 3 packets of braid, I came up with 16 pieces of the twisted bandika, the way you're seeing. So for now, I'm just taking my time removing the fichu ends. Yeah, you need to be very, very careful when you decide to use the scissors, just like I mentioned, so that you won't cut the hair. And from there, now the hair will be ready for installation. And then towards this particular video, I'm going to share with you the particular hairstyle that I decided to choose. Let me know in the comment section which type of hairstyle you are going to take when you do this type of bandika, twisted bandika. And that was all about today's content. You can see this is so neat. This is very, very beautiful, ready for installation, the way you're seeing. Yeah, so I hope you've learned something. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment, and don't forget to share this with a friend. So this is the type of hairstyle that I decided to choose. So this is so beautiful, the way you're seeing, and neat. And that was all about today's content. Until next time, bye for now.